If your Honda Ridgeline's rearview camera is just a black screen, you're not alone. Don't panic. Let's get it working again. First, check the basics. Is your Ridgeline in reverse? If yes, and you still see nothing, make sure your screen brightness isn't turned all the way down. Still no luck? Next, inspect the camera lens in the tailgate. Sometimes dirt, rain, or ice can block the view. Give it a quick clean with a soft cloth. If the lens is clean, let's check the wiring. Open your tailgate and look for any loose or damaged wires around the camera. If you spot anything unusual, secure the connection or consider replacing the wiring harness. Sometimes the issue is with the fuse. Find your fuse box and look for the fuse labeled backup or camera. If it's blown, swap it out for a new one of the same rating. If your screen is still blank or freezing, the infotainment system may need a reset. Just hold down the power button for about 10 seconds. This can clear minor glitches. And finally, if none of these steps work, it's probably time to visit your Honda dealer. The camera or display unit might need professional repair. So next time your Ridgeline's rear camera acts up, try these quick fixes first. You might save yourself a lot of time and money.